I won this Louis Vuitton giveaway. Hello YouTube, my name is Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, today I got some exciting news, y'all. I won this Louis Vuitton giveaway. I know what y'all thinking. Like, Louis Vuitton? Somebody giving away Louis Vuitton? Yes, y'all, and your girl won it. So let me give y'all a little backstory. I have been subscribed to this wonderful lady's channel for maybe about 9 months, maybe close to a year. And I just been watching her platform grow. She is so sweet, so beautiful. She's one of our sisters. Recently, she just gained her 1,000th subscriber. So congrats to you. Her name is DoubleXLuxxe on YouTube. Y'all, please make sure y'all subscribe to her. If you a YouTuber, you know how hard it is to reach that milestone. So for celebration, she actually gave away a Louis Vuitton item. And guess who won? Your girl. Yeah, and I don't win anything. So I was so surprised when she reached out to me and said that I was the winner. And y'all, the package is here and I cannot wait to show it to y'all. So here is the package that she sent. Y'all, I'm so happy. Like, I never really win anything. And the fact that it is Louis Vuitton, I mean, you just can't beat that. Plus, it's from one of our Luxxe sisters. I'm so thankful for you. So, y'all, let's just get into this. Let's just get into it. Y'all, I'm tearing this box all the way up. So, she put some wrapping in here. And it smells good, too. Ooh. Okay, you see she sent the paperwork with it. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is like, if you've never bought Louis Vuitton, this is just all the paperwork that it normally comes with, like the receipt and all that stuff, and just like thanking you for purchasing and about exchange and returns. So yeah, that's in this bag. So she sent it in a little bag. Ah! Here it is. Y'all, I cannot believe it. Like, I'm literally to have won something like this is crazy. But yeah, so this is what it is. So y'all know by looking at it, it's an SLG, right? But let's get into it, y'all. This is what's on the inside of it. She sent a fragrance. It smells like, and it smells so good. Is this bougie perfume? Oh, okay. It says a bougie perfume scented candle. Ooh. Y'all, this smells so good. Ooh, I can't wait to like this. It smells very relaxing, tranquil, just bougie, like you said. I cannot wait. Thank you so much for this. She also sent a card with a little sticker thing on the back. Let's read the card, y'all. So it just says thanks, but it says thanks in like all different languages, I guess. So, and then let's read the card. She wrote me a cute little message. Okay. She says, hey Jazz, thank you so much for all your support and love. I'm so grateful to have met you and truly appreciate you. Have a great day, Auntie Ren. Okay, so if you don't know, if you don't watch her channel, she like calls herself like your local internet auntie. She call you nieces and nephews, just make you feel like you at home. But she called herself Auntie Ren. So yes, Auntie Ren, thank you so much. Okay, and she also sent some perfume, some Louis Vuitton perfume. This smells good too. Y'all know, as much Louis Vuitton as I own, I don't own any of their fragrances. So I'm very excited to try this out too. So this is the packaging. I hope y'all can see it, but it says Louis Vuitton on it. So here we go, y'all. Moment of truth. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna unbox it. I want y'all to see like everything. Okay. And hold on, I'm trying to be like Vanna White or whatever, but I'm not really good at that. So let's see this. Okay, so we almost there, y'all. And here it is. Okay. Y'all, she got $1 in here. Does this mean I'm number one? Thank you, Auntie Ren. But if you don't know what this is the reverse monogram card holder. This is a really sought out item. It sells out every time that they put it on the website. But I think it's such a collector's piece. It is something that I feel like everybody wants to own. And it's so cute. I love this and I'm happy to add it once again to my collection. But y'all, look, if y'all don't know, here it is. So with these card holders, you can usually put like, since she gave me $1, you can put your cash in here, cards, it's a card slot here, a card slot here, and then you can put your cash, cards, or whatever in here. So this is what I won. It is the reverse monogram card holder. I am just so happy to have entered the contest because I don't normally enter anything because I never win. But this time I was just like, you know, why not? And I can't believe that I actually won it. And for it to be Louis Vuitton, come on now. But here is a good view of it. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. So I am going to link her channel down below as well as her giveaway video. And y'all will see how sweet she is. She's so knowledgeable. She has a very amazing collection of luxury items. So if you like luxury unboxings, if you like fashion, and if you like an accent, because I love the way she talks, she is good for you to go ahead and subscribe to and just go indulge and binge watch her channel because she got a lot of content that I think a lot of people would enjoy. So thank you so much, Auntie Ren. And again, her name is DoubleXLuxxe on YouTube. And thank you so much for sending me this. Thank you so much for holding the contest. And thank you so much for being an asset to YouTube and just showing women of color being successful, being knowledgeable about fashion, just for being authentically you. Thank you so much. And I will see y'all in my next video.